The wait for three-time champions Rena's return to the Jamaica Premier League goes on as they made way for Tru-Juice, Austin Catherine, who will be playing for the first time in the nation's top-flight competition. Tru-Juice booked their place with a 4-3 win on penalties after both legs of their JFF Championship semi-final ended nil-all. Reno were relegated from the Premier League in 2019. Tru-Juice will be accompanied to the Premier League by the returning Humberline, who defeated Soccer Club Brownstown 5-3 on penalties after playing to a 1-0 scoreline at Draxall. Romaria Gibbs had Brownstown in the lead in less than a minute of play. However, Humberline were back in it when Aaron Ware pulled them level in the 57th minute. The two failed to break each other through the first of regulation and extra time and had to decide the game on penalties. Brownstown fell behind the 8th ball after missing their first kick. Humberline then held their nerve to exit the country's second tier after just one season.
From the get-go of the season, you could have seen from the preparation coming up that we have a group of young players. As you can see, it's a lot of different players in the team. It's a very young squad. It's like 4 or 5 of us from last season remain and come play with our hearts to be back in the top flight. So I can say it's just a great feeling at the moment.
We got a new president in October, and the president set 2 main objectives. One of those objectives was to restore Humberline as the social institution that it is within the central Clarendon community. And the second was to get back into the Premier League, to gain promotion. And I can safely say, with this victory today, we have achieved both.
Humberline and Tru-Juice will contest Saturday's final.